got building views. They're not bad. A patch of grass. There's no slippers or toothpaste, toothbrush. You can request them by calling the number. Hi everyone, today taking you to the Ibis room. It's very basic. I've ordered a queen size, but it looks like a king size to me. There's no slippers or toothpaste, toothbrush. You can request them by calling the number. It's very, very simple. You get a safe, you get a fridge, got TV, and you get 2 bottles of water for free every day. And then you got the mini bar there. You got in-room dining if you wish to. And then this is the night view. Now to the toilet, it's very, very basic. Towels, just normal things. Got the body wash, and that's all. In the morning, I'll take you downstairs to 7-Eleven, which is very convenient, and there's a coffee bar. First things first, I need to go to Empshere's Ikea to get a photo frame. Alright, I need to get a photo frame from Ikea, so I'm going in right now. My poster. They don't have this back home. It's only 29 bucks, so it's only $1. And these are $2.59. No, this is $3, but you get 3. I don't see this back home. These items are 99 baht and under. That's pretty cheap. Oh, what's that? Hey, this is pretty good value. It's cheaper than in Japan. It's much cheaper. So I'm going with this one, so it fits mine perfectly with a bit of a gap. I'll probably do that. And we will see if it works. Alright, let's go. My view outside in the morning. Got a pool over on this side. There's also another pool here, no one's there. The weather's okay. It's a bit cloudy. It might rain today. So last time when I stayed here, I've got the BTS view. This time I've got building views. They're not bad. Patch of grass area, open area here as well. Sanitary bag, hair dryer, and a change of sheets. And the mini bar is right here. There's a 7-Eleven downstairs, so to be honest, you don't really need it unless you're very desperate. There's a 7-Eleven right underneath. So the Mercure entrance is here and Ibis is here. We share the building, where Ibis is at the bottom and Mercure is on the higher floors. And it's actually quite good where there's a dedicated 7-Eleven and a car park for all the Grab deliveries, and then there's also security, so it's very, very safe. All cafe is really good. They heat up your food. It's also fun. We walk through the Mercure side because it's closer to the 7-Eleven where I just bought my breakfast, and share the same lifts. If you're staying at the Ibis, there's no pool. Which one? Oh, here. a key card. Hope you find this hotel walkthrough useful for your next Bangkok trip. Please like, share, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!